Hello friends, in today's video, I'm gonna be walking through how to generate emails and messages using ChatGPT. In order to generate emails and messages using ChatGPT, we need to add extension on our browser. So search here, ChatGPT Writer, open the first link, click on download free extension. All you have to do is just add this extension on your browser and then open your Gmail and make sure to pin the ChatGPT for Google extension from here and open the mail where you want to generate a reply, and then scroll down and click on reply, and here you will get the ChatGPT Writer icon. So click on that and click on generate reply, and then the extension will generate a reply for your message or mails. Once it's generated, click on insert generated response, and now you can easily customize your reply from here. So that's how you can do it. If this video helped you, give a thumbs up and please consider subscribe to How to 1 Minute. See you in the next video.